Compact size. 4.2 cup, 1 liter capacity is ideal for parties, movie nights, dinners and family gatherings. Ideal for any small kitchen, apartment, dorm room, and more. Fast cooking. The temperature control dial is easily adjustable for faster frying, giving you perfectly crisp results every time. Perfect for making French fries, onion rings, fried chicken, shrimp, doughnuts, and much more. Mess-free. Removable frying basket clips to the side of the fryer so the oil can drain without making a mess. Basket is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Cool touch. The stainless steel Cool Touch exterior keeps this fryer's outside surface from getting too hot so you can fry safely. Resources. cETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, 1-year warranty provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 1000 watts, 120 volts, RJ07 MSS. The Chefman Fry Guy Deep Fryer gives you the ability to make your favorite fried food fried at home: French fries, onion rings, doughnuts and more. With its 4.2 cup capacity, it's perfect for any small kitchen, apartment, dorm room, and more. The stainless steel Cool Touch exterior keeps this fryer's outside surface from getting too hot so you can fry safely. Adjustable temperature dial lets you adjust the frying temperature, so you get perfect crispy results every time. Top reviews from the United States. Compact, easy to clean fryer. I love this fryer. I only need to fry small batches at a time. I also don't fry a lot, so this is perfect for me. I love the compact design. Sits nicely on my counter. You can fry with or without the basket, and I would suggest using the cover, which you can. I saw someone else mention that you should use the cover, but the cover can be used. There are slots in the cover to use while the basket is in the fryer, and it has air vents to release steam. To clean, unplug and disconnect wire. Let the oil completely cool. Take out the basket, rinse it well and use a sponge or a kitchen brush to scrub the basket thoroughly. Let it air dry. For the fryer, make sure you disconnect it. Discard the oil. Rinse a few times with warm water. Add soap and water. Swish it around a few times, then wash with a sponge, all without getting the outside wet. Damp wipe the outside with a sponge or paper towel. I have no complaints about the fryer at all.